What's up guys, welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own pompano rig, the easy way. Do me a favor, if you got any value out of this video, give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so what you want for this rig is about 3 foot of line, mono or fluoro. I use 20-pound test. Sometimes if I'm having problems getting bit, I'll use a lighter line to give, I don't know if they're line sensitive or something. You know, you can go down in size with the pompano, but when you're in the surf, you can end up with black drum or red drum, so I like using 20. Bead, float, 1/0 circle hook, and a barrel swivel. Now your weights, I have 1 through 4 ounce pyramid, and if the current's really ripping and they won't hold, I'll use something like this. They have these in various sizes. I usually start with a 2, and then I see if it's holding or if I need to go up. To start out, I go to the middle of the line and I just wrap it around my hand like this. How big that loop is how big the rig is going to stick out from the line. So I like to start out about there. I hold it in my hand and you just take one line, turn it over the other one. And I like to go, 6 times probably. Depends on the size of the line. The larger the line, the harder it is. And then you want to put this part here in your mouth and get some saliva on this so that that knot sinks in. And you want to hold it in your mouth as you pull this tight here. But I can't obviously get my mouth in there. So to set that, boom, there, that's done. And then next, you want to come here, pinch that down so it'll go on right. And then let's see here, you put float on first. Sometimes it's hard to get it in that hole. I'll bite them down. Want to do it gently because you don't want to damage that line right there where it's going to go around your hook. I've had them fail there from biting it down too tight. Put the float on. Put your bead on. It's hard to see with this camera. And then with your hook, go here. I wrap it around. And then I take this and I hold it up here. Slide that down. The reason I do this first is you want to see how that hook's sitting. You want that hook sitting up like that. So then you know your weight's going to go on this bottom end. To do your weight, just take this, make a loop. I wrap it around my finger. So you have a loop in it like that. Push this through once, back through again twice, and then just pull that tight. And then that loop, you put it through the eye of your weight. Pull it over the weight. I pull it through, put it over the tip. Pull that tight. And then tie on your swivel. I use just a basic fisherman's knot on the swivel. Go around 5-6 times through here, and you can use whatever knot you really like on this. I'm sure you know how to tie that. Normally you want to get that wet so you don't stress that line, but for the video purpose I didn't. And then you have the swivel that comes off to your pompano float, and then your hook. Another trick I do, this thing, it'll slide up here make this part of your line float, and then this just hangs down. To prevent that, I come in and take a tip of a toothpick, break it off, and slide it up in there, and it'll pinch that tight so it stays tight on there. And you want to make sure that that hook is up like that. That's why I do this part first, and then I put the weight on and the swivel, because a lot of the times it'll be turned the wrong way. It just prevents you from having to do it twice. So another setup, you can do another one of these above here, and usually I'll have my other one where I have this swivel about a foot up in length. Here's one of my double rigs that I have set up, ready to fish with. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor and give me a thumbs up if you got any value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and check out all my other how-to videos. Have a great day.